Welcome to To-Go English Tutorials Easy Lesson Number 1, Subjects and Predicates. Every sentence has a subject and a predicate. The subject is the person or thing doing an action, and the predicate is the action of the sentence. Look for the verb. It's much easier than you think. And now for some example sentences. Have fun. At the zoo, we visit the animals. The zookeeper helps clean the cages. The zebra is black and white. The tiger is orange and black. The monkey likes to hang by its tail. The male lion has a mane on its neck. The African elephant is the largest living land animal. Thanks for watching To-Go English Tutorials, and please don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.